Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Robert. I'm back again with another review. Of course, you know this is your number one channel on YouTube on how showing you all the tutorials on the current trending techs and also any other current trending issues. And actually today I'm here to talk about how you can make money. So let me take you through to this video. Watch out guys. Thank you. So today I'm here to show you this site. Hey guys, this is the wow moment. You guys need to see this. You have to make this Christmas money because it's a giveaway. Imagine you have only a minimum withdrawal of $1. Yeah, $1 man, by simply taking surveys. Check out on how I completed this simple survey and I ended up getting one and a 1.3 dollars. So and I've just withdrawn it. Check out. So this site is called Rewarding Ways, and you earn your money through referrals and also through taking surveys. So I'll post a link on the description below showing you where to register. So if you need to join this site and start making money immediately, and you can withdraw as minimum as $1, just $1, and you can withdraw it through PayPal. And after you have your money on PayPal, you can withdraw whether to your bank or to your mobile phone. For me, I'm Kenyan, so definitely I'll take my money to M-Pesa. So this is how I requested my withdrawal. So I withdrew $1 and some cents there. So after withdrawing, they gave me 24 hours notice so that they can confirm my withdrawal. So yeah, and it came through guys, it came through. So just watch out and follow up on how I did the withdrawal, and yeah, I'll be catching up with you just in a second. Yeah, and make sure when you enter your phone number, make sure the other EXT box is empty, otherwise it will not recognize you. I got stuck there for a couple of minutes. I was trying to withdraw and I was like, hey, my number, this is my number, how come it's not being verified? Is there any other problem? So I read the instructions once again and deleted that EXT box. So now when I did the calling, they called me. Then they just told me the verification code, and what I did is just feeding the code on the pin. So you just type the 4-digit code there. After typing the 4-digit code, just simply press on verify. So you would have verified yourself that you are a real person, not actually a robot. If you encounter any problem, just post a comment on the description on the comment box down below, and I will give you the correct answer. So you can see it has successfully withdrawn the cash. So now let's wait for 24 hours and see what happens.
"24 hours later."
After 24 hours, these guys have deposited our money, guys. Man, my money is on paper. Imagine, man. Check this out. Let me log in. This is the wow moment, guys. This is the wow moment. This is the site that you can use to get your girlfriend some flowers during this Christmas holidays. This is the site you can use to buy some alcohol during this festive season. You can use this site to make money, guys, real cash that you can do anything with. by just taking surveys. So these guys are called the 99 Ventures Limited. You can see they have deposited $1.03. So let's try to withdraw this money. Let's actually confirm that it's real. It's them that have sent the money. Yeah. So here we are. You can see a total amount of $1.03 coming from 99 Ventures Limited. Congratulations on earning, man. Okay, let's withdraw this. Go to PayPal, to M-Pesa. I'm Kenyan, as I told you. So if you're Kenyan, you can use this method. I'm going to send this money directly to my phone number, and you will see what will happen immediately. I tap on withdraw. It will convert my money into my currency. So $1.03 becomes 113 shillings, Kenyan shillings. So confirm it and send the money to my account, boy. Bam. Confirm. Click the button, done. Okay, let me show you my M-Pesa balance immediately after this. Done. And the money is shown on my M-Pesa, man. You can see the balance there, confirmed. You have received 113 from Robert Owo. That is my PayPal. Yeah, man, this is the legit, guys. If you want to make this dough, if you want to make this real cash, this is not a bluff. This is 100% legit. And yeah, it's your boy Robert Osir family once again, and I'm here to research for you guys. Don't sweat, don't do nothing. Just sit back and relax. If you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll keep on posting for more details.